Hello everybody, today I want to show you the woodpecker. Look at this beautiful gift, this fantastic painting. This is again Bisquite Porcelain. Look at his eyes. And this is original porcelain from Capodimont. Maybe 1 or 2 years ago I was getting the same figurine but more size than here. But my opinion, this is original size of a real woodpecker. But I'm sell it my figurine before for very big price. Here it's another one that I have, and this is a Capodimont style. Here is no, here only this the name of a master who made it, and he is very beautiful. Everything here is fine, no any restoration. I think he is 40 or 50 years old. 80s, 1970, 1980. This is the same period of this beard, but this is fantastic. I'm selling it about $500 for this figurine. I think this is a good price for this beautiful beard. Thank you for your watching my video, and see you next time. Bye bye.